vocabulary that you should know from May Féin. I expect you to know these words in Irish and in English. Cover the English, see can you translate them into Irish. Cover the Irish, see if you can translate them into English. Write them out each night to help you learn the spelling. Pause and repeat after every 5 words. Cuss, láv, gruig, ceann, múr. Rower, súile, shrón, clús, láva. Glúin, béal, fiacail, muinéal, routine. Cear, cruméal, smig, drim, bullig. Ish, beag, ard, bretlaw, clon. Shylock, drahar, de fuair, jaharacha, de fuaracha, tishmahori. Ahar, máthar, shanahar, shanwahar.